Welcome back. We are making spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce. A lot, because we sell a lot of pizzas. So I'm starting out with fresh garlic. And here's my ingredients: salt, pepper, garlic, onions. See the label says pure onions. Italian seasoning. If you look at the back, we have black pepper, basil, rosemary, thyme, oregano, fennel, dehydrated onion, dehydrated garlic, and sea salt. And our tomato paste. And look really hard for tomato paste and get only tomatoes. We do not want any citric acid in there. A lot of people gets me sick. So after the garlic is all sauteed here, we will start adding things, and we will be adding this whole container of Italian seasoning because we are using that whole can of tomato paste. All right, back in a little while.